Welcome to the introduction of the Moneypenny Online Timesheeting. At the beginning of each production, you will actually receive an email which will contain your login details to access the web portal. Here is an example of what will be sent to you. What we suggest is you do as follows. You copy the password, then click on the link for the web portal. Then you will need to sign in. Before doing this, to make it easier for you, we recommend setting up a shortcut for this web page on your smartphone device, home screen. Click the three dots up top right hand corner, scroll to add home screen. Wait for a moment, of course. Click add, then click add again. You will now notice that there is a shortcut for the web page. Click on this, it'll take you straight in. Now to log on, click login, enter in your email address. That is actually in the email that was sent to you. Enter in the password and click login. You are now logged on and scroll down to the button enter timesheet. Here you will need to select a week ending date. The week ending date will always be end on a Sunday. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to select the week ending date of the 26th of September. And we'll click set and then click find. This will bring up the timesheet. There will be a note. You can here, if you worked the week before and entered in your timesheets, you can copy in last week times if they are exactly the same times, or you can actually enter them in on the screen. For convenience sake, we recommend putting your phone in the landscape position and then click on the first one, which is with regards to our start, and select the time that you started and set. Then collect when you actually went for your meal and when you entered it. In this case, it was the 12:45 p.m. and when you actually finished work. Let's see, 9 p.m. If you have any additional information, comments that you would like, you can click on the show details and then enter in your comments here. You can also enter in, if required, car and truck details. Once this has actually been entered in, you can, at the end of the day, click Save Draft, and this will allow you to come back to this page to enter in your times for the following days. Once you have actually completed this, all you need to do is click Submit Approval at the end of the week, and this will actually send it through. I will first show you what happens when we do a save draft and how you can come back into this. So it's been entered, and so I've logged on for the next day and I want to enter in the timesheet. I actually find the date for the week ending date, which is going to be the 26th. Click find. I scroll down. I can see my details for Monday are entered in, and now I can enter in Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever day that you work next. To click submit for approval, once you've got sure you have everything correct, Click the button, submit for approval. Wait a few moments for it to process. And you will receive confirmation that your timesheet has been successfully saved and sent to the production. Thank you.